In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 445 by 5 using the long division method. See that 4 is less than 5, that is why we will consider the number 44. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 4. Now see that this 4 is less than 5, that is why we will bring down this number 5 here. And from the multiplication table of 5, we know that 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 445 divided by 5 is equal to 89. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.